To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are 3 screws securing the housing. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm hex nut driver. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the air hose clamp. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Before the housing can be lifted, slide the tabs out of their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF5197 filter into the housing. It can only be installed with the housing in one orientation. Reinstall the hose clamp. Retighten the hose clamp. Reinstall the screws. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.